Presidential Broadcast Service.
Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko
Ng bagong Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon nag-uugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawi ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Sa Iloilo, Radyo Pilipinas. 585 AM.
Welcome back once again to your favorite edition of the Low ECU.
Mayong hapon sa tanan, time check, it's 3:06 p.m. and I'm your host, Gray.
And I'm Jeff, and welcome to
Study Break! So for today's episode, still part sa celebration naton sa Women's Month, ang atong topic is still about the empowered women of the university. We are still highlighting their strength, resilience, leadership, kag kung ano gid bala ang being an empowered woman of the university.
Yes. No, joining us today is one of the ESATU's empowered students who embodies excellence and leadership. No?
Yes, that's true. So aton pagkaistoryahan kung ano ang mga challenges nga experience ya, her academic and personal journey, kag kung anong vision niya sa future. But before that, I think Sir Jeff, we would like to introduce our special co-host for today. So, ma'am, Miss, can you introduce yourself?
So, hello sir, hello everyone.
Hello.
I am Angelica Acoheda, 19 years old now, from the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics.
Yes.
I am also the president of the Circle of Mathematics major under the College of Education.
Mathematician, galing niyo po natin. So,
No? Thank you for joining us today, no? To all listeners, especially for the students tuning in today. Stay tuned as aton program because it will be inspiring and empowering. And tugay-tugay na mabalik kita, and ciao.
Alas tres na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ECU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ECU!
Diri lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ECU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tubtob alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tubtob Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes upod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ECU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala. Magpamati na para hindi ka maulhi sa Study Break. Ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, Tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-laing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sabihin ng ECU may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa ka Biyernes, kanta si Miss Dida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
Stay informed
inspired.
and connected.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapadulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ECU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ECU, I-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now! Attention, ISAT University graduating students. The ISAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now.
Good afternoon once again. Time check, it's the 11 p.m. and welcome back to Study Break. I'm your host, Gray.
And I am Angelica.
So, today, upod naton ang isa ka estudyante sa university nga gabalanse being a dean's lister and also the weight of being a student leader. So, Miss, can you please introduce yourself to us? Sa aton nga galantaw sa Facebook Live and sa gapamati sa Radyo Pilipinas.
Hello to our listeners and to our live viewers as well. I am Adilu Clar Valenzuela Monticello, a third-year college student taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Wow, so thank you for joining us, Miss Clar. No? So, can I call you Miss Clar?
Sure.
Okay, so here is our first question. So, na-mention mo kagina kay sir nga you are taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education or BEd. So, pwede bala kami ka pamangkot, Miss, if nga amo na aging pili mga course?
So, as young as 12 years old, I already start teaching sa Sunday school. And from then on, I have this passion for teaching sa mga younger generations. And then, cut to pandemic era, I started to do outreach programs sa mga kabataan ngara sa Mountains of Palawan and the Muslims ngara sa Mindanao. And from then on, I realized na this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, to teach kids.
So, kanami lang no, may experience na saya sa pag-teach pa lang before entering sa course sa university. So, you mentioned nga ag-outreach program kamo sa Palawan and then sa Muslim areas naton sa mga kauturan naton dito. Ano na siya, part man na sa sang outreach program sa university or hindi?
So, iyan na siya sa, isa na siya ka Christian organization. So, baligwa na siya sa university and grupo kami na and we do outreach, we teach kids, and sometimes we give sa mga kabataan man.
So, that's nice to hear, no? So, sa tanan yung pinaghambal mo, no? How can you describe yourself being a student? And you mentioned also, I think, being you're a leader also of the university. How can you describe yourself?
So, as a student, I can say nga very competent ako. And not competitive, competent. Kay isa sa mga motto ko, every time I go to the class, I always say nga hindi maglipas ang isa ka adlaw nga hindi ko wala ka participate sa klase. And I love class discussions. So, makita mo gid ko da pamiga recite, pamiga participate. And even during presentations, I make sure that I perform well. And as a leader naman, I can say that I am methodical or systematic in a way. Kay I have this plan and I'm also very communicative. I make sure nga akong mga subordinates maintindihan nila kung ano ang mga plano nga gusto ko matabo para sa amon nga department.
See.
Oh, grabe aton si Miss Clar, no? Very active sa academic and sa leadership. And so, Miss Clar, di ba, balaan naton nga hindi lango-lango ang mag-balance ang academics sa leadership.
Yes.
So, ano ang nag-motivate sa imo para bala nga i-pursue ang excellence sa both academic and leadership?
Yes, just like what you said, no, very kapoy, sometimes stressful, nga may gina-juggle, ikaw nga commitments. However, ang isa ka bagay siguro, isa sa mga bagay nga pamotivate gid sa akon to wake up and to answer the call of leadership and the academic life is my future self. Kaya kumbaga na-visualize ko na biyakon kaugalingon someday, and I ask myself, do I want to be successful? If I want to be successful, I have to do my best at all times. So amo gid na ang isa sa mga bagay nga nag-motivate gid sa akon.
So that's your motivation.
Yes.
And also you've set goals na, di ba la? May vision ka na para sa kagalingon mo. Amo ni obrahon ko for this day, for example, and also for the future.
Yes.
So for your vision and your goals, may nag-motivate bala or may nag-inspire bala sa imo nga dapat amo ako sini, dapat amo ni ang akon nga pananaw sa pangabuhi, not just in life but also in my academic and in student leadership.
So, ang isa sa mga nag-inspire sa akin, first, of course, ang Ginoo gid, God. I will not be where I am right now if not without Him. Second, syempre, akong family gid, kay sila gid ang mga frontliner nga nag-support gid sa akon. Siguro, ang isa siguro sa mga dako ko nga inspiration is my Korean missionary. She has been really an example to me since I was a kid. So she's very disciplined. May aragid siya maayo nga time management, and she embodies the values that I also want to be someday. So si Ate Lucy, amo na siya nga akon gid nga nag-inspire gid sa akon to do more.
Oh, pwede mo tama yun si Ma'am Lucy.
Hello
Or Miss
Ate Lucy. Arin ako di subong.
Artista na siya ko no. Actually kagina ginakulbaan pa niya subong tawo wala magsabat siya. So makita mo gid nga pre pa lang nga preparation, nakulbaan siya, hindi siya kuno kabalo magsut basi ano siya. But now as you can see, do wala lang, do gustahan lang ta, di ba la? So,
Very confident
very
sila.
confident siya. So it's good nga mapakita naman naton nga nakulbaan man gali ang mga dean's lister.
Wow.
So, according to may naghambal sa akon, so you've been a dean's lister from first year to
Yes,
now
sir.
third year.
Yes, sir.
So, running to now day gini yan.
Tani.
Manifesting,
Di mausog.
manifesting.
Manifesting.
So, talking about being an academic achiever, no?
Yes, sir.
When did you realize na gusto mo mag-strive for academic excellence?
So ever since I was a kid, sir, kumbaga academic achiever na ko nga daan. So I joined contests, competitions, quiz bees, and I represent my school.
Which is?
Katubig Primary School, hello, shout out, and Martin Tirador Memorial Elementary School. Cut to college life, nag-motivate din sa akon to, ang time na na-realize ko nga dapat himuon ko gid ang akon nga best, nga mga excellent gid. For excellence is, because I was delayed for 3 years, sir.
What is it?
Kaya mo nag-outreach ako.
I
Yes.
see.
So, wala ako ka-proceed sa college. During the pandemic era to siya. So, the grade 12, then wala na ako ka-college during that 3 years. And the moment nga nag-apply ako for ESATU, I really cried. Yes, because I believe that is a second chance. God has given me the second chance to pursue what I love the most, and that is education. And from then on, seeing that opportunity, gin-grab ko na nga daan niya. I will really do my best. I will do my best to, justify ang second chance na ginhatag sa akon, ang second opportunity na ginhatag sa akon to study.
It's good nga sa ESATU nga nagkadto.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Nami nga even though nga 3 years nga wala ka naka-pursue sa college mo, ang mindset mo is still for you to excel, for you to study liwat,
Yes.
wala. Kay di man nato malikawan, there are instances nga kung naka-start na bala obra ang iban nga mga students, wala na nila gina-pursue.
Yes.
So if may chance nga may hatag sa inyo, grab it.
Yes.
So plus kay Miss Clar, so okay,
Yes.
Miss Clar, so ang tawa 3 years nga wala siya ka eskwela because of the pandemic, and also nagpang-outreach man siya sa ilang church, she still had the chance to
Yes.
study. So mayong nami gid Miss Clar.
And yes, Miss Clar, no? So, ang very, sana all very, ang sir, ang term, very, ang halin sa elementary, academic achiever, yes,
Yes.
academic
Academic
achiever,
achiever
sana
siya.
all, good, yeah. And so, Miss Clar, ang, di ba, since elementary, academic achiever ka, so, may pwede mo ma-share sa aton ng mga listeners or sa mga audience nga ang ano bala mga study habits mo or ang mga strategies nga nag-help sa imo maging successful sa studies mo bisan third year ka pa lang subong.
Okay, so I actually don't study hard the way I did before.
Tani ba? Study hard?
Kay of course, since gina-juggle bala sir nga commitments. So bali mag-abot na sa dorm or sa bed kapoy na gid. Kumbaga do wala na gid bala ang imo nga brain do hindi na gid ka function maayo especially at night. So what I do is I wake up in the morning to study. Kay sa morning I be very active aton brain. So kumbaga mas dasig mag-receive information naton utok at that time. And then, after that, I scan my notes. And then, ang ginahimo ko is gina-write down ko lang yung very important details. If may need ako i-memorize ko lang siya, especially ang mga ang usually ito ko get sa identification, bala, kag enumeration.
Important nga terms.
Yes. Amo na siya. And then, very effective na siya nga way is to explain the concept to yourself. Like, especially if I learn something, I try to describe it. Ginaito ko man akong kauguligan while explaining it to
May
myself.
makuha mo ang thought actually, even though you don't need to memorize the whole sentence of the description. If you know the
Yes.
thought
Yes, sir.
and the meaning behind it, mas hapos intindihon,
sir.
di ba la?
Yes.
Understand mo gid dapat sir no before.
So, being an academic achiever, no? So, since elementary, going to your college life na, may mga challenges ka ba lang na-encounter?
Yes. So, subong siguro, it's like about balancing everything. Kaya since gani, may ara organization nga gina-handle at the same time, may ara ka man achieve sa class man. So, with that, ka-hard, siguro sa first, siguro, medyo hard yun siya i-balance. Of course, the study, the commitments, the events that I have to go into, and at the same time, maging budlay man siya sa akin because I have health complications as well. May ako lung issues. And amo na siya nagpabudlay gid sa nga ako niya third year nga journey.
So, subong na siya nag-start? Or
Yes.
subong nag-core?
Yes,
But
sir.
you're okay now?
Yes, I'm okay now. I am okay now. I am okay now. Thankfully. So, subong, learning to manage everything without compromising my health. So, amo lang nami, subong kay na-try ko na siya bala ibahin-bahinon, i-allot kung ano ang time para sa amo ni, para sa amo na, para hindi ko ma-compromise ako niya health.
Not just your physical health, also your mental health. Di ba lang
Yes.
ito?
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
So, Miss Clar, di ba, gina-juggle mo ang leadership and ang academic mo. And so, of course, di ba, hindi lango-lango ang college. So, paano mo gina-handle ang mga stress and ang pressure during exam, especially kung may mga major deadlines ka?
Namugin na siya premiere. Ang mga, next week ko lang mabrahon na
Ganis.
kay kayo pa man ang deadline, di ba lang?
Correct. Siguro siguro garant gid ko ya. Pero wala lang gid galing ko garant sa social media platforms. Garant ko sa akong kagalingan. Sometimes I do monologues. Sometimes I cry habang kapaligo. Usually amo gid na to the way to, de-stress, express,
Actually, mas mayo nga ipagwa mo siya kaysa kimkimon mo, di ba?
Yes. And of course, kapoy ka na. So ang ginahimo ko na lang is kahibi, garant. I find gapangita ako sang partner ko upod ko, then didto ko garant siya. Kakapoy and everything. Amo na bala.
You have friends also nga pwede mo istoryahon, di ba?
Yes. Very important gid,
Yes,
sir.
that's
Very
true.
good.
Not just in your academic life, even your personal life.
Yes.
Dapat yan may friends kita nga may istorya naton.
Yes, sir. Pwede
Lain
makakita.
gid di ba?
Yes, sir. So, as well as ginahatagan ko man akong self sang me time. Me time.
Yes,
Like,
that's important.
yes. For example, malanta ko dabi movie or malagaw-lagaw.
Pamangkot sinupod mo.
Ako lang.
Okay, hindi na kumain.
Solo walks. Amo na. So, I think it helps, gidya. And then after which, syempre napagwa ko na akong stress. What I do is, I list the things that I have to do, isa-isa.
Yes.
And then of course, I act on it. Ginaubra. Amo
At saka
na.
ko pila ni ka notebooks maubos.
Oo.
Very
Correct.
organized kay Miss Clar daan. Systematic.
So, it's nice nga may mga amukitas na nga mga habits, no? Other than your habits, no? Anong may mga advice mo sa mga students subong nga galantaw kagapamati sa aton to improve their academic performance?
Siguro mahambal ko lang ako, sir, nga kagina ko lang gid siya na came up. Value your time more than you value your money. Kaya di ba kung money, kung kwarta, ginatipid-tipid na siya naton, labi gaston naton siya sa mga importante nga bagay, amo na bala. Same as with time, no? I-allot siya sa insakto nga mga bagay nga kung diin makabenefit sa aton, kag makabulig sa aton. And ang difference lang, Abby, Sir, and Jel, sa time and sa money is that ang money mabalik pa, ang time hindi na. So
you have to find the balance between the two.
yes.
If correct me if I'm wrong, though amo na siya ang concept niya, di ba na? So valuing money itself also shows how you value your time also.
Yes. Oo. So, muna, value gid ang time. Kay time management gid ang key para ma-manage mo mayo ang commitments mo, especially sa academic life mo and sa student leadership.
Yes, so value your time before you value money. And so, 'di ba, time is gold, Miss Clark.
Yes.
And so, how important or ano ka-importante gid ang time management sa mag-achieve ikaw sa academic success?
Very important, gid, I believe. I believe time management is the core foundation to be efficient at everything that you do. Kaya kung kabalo ka mag-manage sang time mo, makasave ka sang energy, makasave ka sang effort, wala cramming, wala procrastinating.
Mga deadlines nyo nga sa lampa.
Yes.
So, amo gina usually nga katabo.
Student.
I'm guilty of that too.
Sir, same.
Was pa man ako.
Usually, yes.
So, time management, kay Miss, isa ako. Anyway, thank you for your advice, no? Here at ESATU, kayo mention ang nag-inspire sa mo is outside from the university. But here in ESATU, may mga role, may mga teachers bala ikaw nga naga-inspire sa mo, mentors, na nagbulig sa academic growth. Not just in your academic growth, but also your personal growth.
Of course, teachers ko, especially from the ed professors ko, hello! So, they inspire me, especially sa ila professionalism, gadya sir, passion, ilang drive bala sa pagtudlo.
Yes, passion in
And
teaching.
yes, especially work ethic Manila. And also ang life stories nila, kaya sometimes gatell na sila stories diba?
Kasi pati yung mga love life sa mga teachers.
Yes!
Shout out galing kay Sir John. Like, sumagin chismis.
So, with that, though mambal ko sa kagalingon ko sa I also want to have the life that they have. And with that, I want to do better. I want to grow and I want to be like them as well. So, amo gid na siya, sir.
Yes.
Teacher niya. Be, evolving into a good teacher.
Yes.
Inspired by the university professors
Yes.
of ESATU, not just in ESATU, outside also. So, thank you, Ged, sa pag-share mo sa experience mo sa Amon and your insight. Ginapakita mo nga striving for academic excellence is not just about intelligence, no, but also your dedication, discipline, and perseverance. So, thank you very much, Miss Clark. So, time check, it's 3:28 p.m. We will come back after this break.
Alas 3 na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ESATU!
Ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ESATU!
Diri lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ESATU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tubtob alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tubtob Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes upod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ESATU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na para hindi ka maulhisa. Study Break, ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-lain nga parte sa kalibutan kung sabihin ng ESATU may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa ka Biyernes, kanta si Miss Gida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
stay informed
inspired.
And connected.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapadulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Hustugid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ISATU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now! Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na! Nabudlayan ka bala mangita sang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag pangitaalang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292.
Welcome back sa study break, and time check, it's 3:31 in the afternoon, and arigapon si Miss Adilu, no? And aside from being academic achiever, you are also involved in leadership and students activities, right?
Yes.
So what leadership roles or organizations are you involved in?
Okay, so currently I am the senator of the Student Republic, handling the Committee on Education or the Department of Education. So where we hold activities, and we chaired so far 2 big activities, which is the Teachers' Day and of course the Christmas Saya. And right now we are working on with 2 more events for the Pampang, for the coming Pampang. And I'm also a part of an organization which is the Tirador Brainworks Foundation Incorporated. I was a former officer, and ang ginahimo namon dira is facilitate kami give gifts sa children.
Oh.
Yes, and I'm also participating sa mga church activities. I've also experienced facilitating man, giving gifts sa mga families before, during the pandemic. And I'm also part of an organization man, nga ara man, nga belong man sa amon nga church.
Yes.
Grabe, sir, daw hindi gid maisip. Daw hindi ta maisip iya nga mga leadership roles. So,
Yan.
Miss Clar, ano pala nag-inspire sa imo nga i-take na siya ang mga leadership nga mga responsibilities?
Siguro aside, of course, from my family, ang one gig nga nag-inspire sa akon is, of course, the people that believe in me. Nga
Yes.
nag-vote sa akon since I'm a senator. And shout out sa kay Sir Casella because yes,
Yeah.
hi sir. So isa man siya sa mga nag-push gid sa akon to accept this role. And because of them, I realized na maybe they saw something in me that I don't. And with that, it pushed me to be better and do good sa akon mga ginahimo, especially sa mga leadership roles nga gina-carry ko.
Yeah. With that multiple ang roles, multiple events, and multiple roles, activities, etc., etc. How do you balance that?
Of course, most of the time I do monologues, good. Yeah, sometimes I talk to myself. Yes. Especially kung ako lang isa or gamuni-muni, nag-meditate, I talk to myself. I try to ginaplastar ko sa habang gina-istorya ko akon ko guling ginaplastar ko anong himuon ko paano na. And with that, I somehow manage gidya nga i-balance kay ginaplastar ko siya eh. And then of course I enjoy. Hindi ka mo magambal nga kung leader ka and then student leader ka and then estudyante ka, hindi na ka pwede ka enjoy. Of course you can enjoy and I enjoy as well. I don't forbid myself to laugh. Galantaw man ko memes, galantaw sa reels. Yes.
You need to naman si myself, no?
Yes, hindi ko pag-i-strict akong self.
Yes.
And I also bond with people. Yes, so amo na akong ginahimo gid usually.
Yes, so Miss Clar, na-mention mo, di ba nga senator ka diri sa ISAT-U? And then, na-mention man nga ang senator is ang SR is ang model organization sa whole ISAT-U. And so, di ba, given nga lapit na lang ang election sa mga organizations and sa
Yes.
SR, ano ba lang ang mga leadership qualities ang sa feel mo nga every student leader should have?
I believe one quality lang gid nga every student leader should have is the love for service gid ya.
Yes.
I was thinking about you may think about dapat kabalo ka mag-manage, dapat kabalo ka mag-plan and everything. But on top of it all, you have to love the service.
Yeah, agreed.
Yes. Kay leaders you're not there for the title, gid ya. Always remember. You're not there for the title. You're not there for the fame. You are there to lead and serve the students.
Yes.
And I believe tanan dapat nga student leader may amo na. So, that's it.
Sa imo kaging share nambal mo na-enjoy mo pagka student leader. Even though masako-sako siya
Yes.
It's very very busy Samo na. But you enjoyed it. So ano ba lang mga memorable experience mo sa amo na mga pagka student leadership?
Siguro mambal kung enjoy ko man siya kay I find kung pagkakapangita ako sang do joy dira. But tawag na ito, trigger warning, hindi siya gid enjoying gid. Ano lang, just to inform everyone, hindi gid siya enjoying. But, you have to find the joy in it, man. So, one of the memorable experience nga na-experience ko was siguro sa UWIC gid. Because all of the officers gather to facilitate during sang UWIC, especially sa Students' Day. And I get to laugh with them, I get to bond with them, and it's just nice to see people who share the same struggles as you. Nga isa ka mo ka room and then you're laughing. You're just enjoying the experience. And I guess that's one of the most memorable experience that I have experienced so far.
Actually, for all of the students yata and everyone in this university, ang pinaka-exciting is the UWI.
Yes.
The foundation.
So, Miss Clar, di ba, nag-mention ikaw nga UWIC, di ba, sir, ang pinagid ka ginalook forward sa mga student.
Tanggid ya.
Yes. And so, di ba, kung leader ikaw, di ba, gawa pa meeting ka muna para mag-discuss sa mga events. And so, ano ba lang mga challenges nga na face mo as a leader, kag paano mo na silang challenges na overcome?
Siguro one major challenge lang so far sa akong student leadership experience was during the Teachers' Day event. Kaya may miscommunication between my department and the supplier bala sang mga need namon nga materials.
Yes.
And sometimes na-realize ko nga bisan ano mo gali ka prepare sa event nga na. Hindi gid ya malikawan ang mga inevitable circumstances. Sometimes may kakatabo, may kaka-fail, may misunderstanding, may miscommunication. And dapat as a leader, dapat quick ka mag-isip, gid ya. Quick-witted kaya dapat ano yung plan B ko. Yes, makakamap ka solution dayon. And with that, dito ko na learn nga dapat makakamap ka always plan B and plan C. Kung may mga yes. So para hindi bala ka syempre ginpangabudlayan yun na siya nga event. And so kung hindi man siya matigayon, syempre nugon lang ang tanan with the efforts and everything. And with that experience, I found the beauty to it, and that is hindi mo na gid siya dapat pagliwaton. Doon mo na bala nga beauty. Kay kung natabo na be and then dumamanton ka okay, next time hindi ko na paghimon. Amo nang himuon ko. Because you learned something from that experience. So that's it.
So sa mga sa pagiging student leader, mabudlay, may in your view, you find it joy, you find joy in those struggles, diba? So how do you encourage mga sa students nga gusto maging student leader sa mga organization, especially sa SMR?
Okay. So, subong medyo ano na siya kay laka na lang subong ang mga estudyante nga gusto gid
Yeah.
nga may heart gid
Oo.
magpadalagan. But I'm going to give you an example. So this is I have a friend, I have a close friend. So he attained the highest honor sa isa ka university man. Nga hindi ko lang pag-i-name.
Okay.
But we were catching up. He's really smart, and they were catching up, and he was telling me, "Oh, I love your leadership na subong. I love your experience na subong." By the way, he's already working na. So, gin-open up niya sa akon nga tani nang inactive man siya sa leadership roles when he was in college.
He was a very regrettable sa iyang
Yes.
college days.
Yes. And I think I found the realization nga although leadership and participation sa organizations can be very makapoy, it
Yes.
can be tiring.
Yes.
But the life after you get that degree will not be all about studies, gidya. So once makagraduate kita de, what will happen to us? We will face the reality.
Yeah.
And leadership programs or leadership organizations, you will be trained actually. Kinanglan mo soft skills eh. So
I agree.
in this field, you will be taught on how to deal with people, how to manage people, how to have soft skills to communicate. And I think isa siya sa mga positive effects kung ara ka nga isa ka student leader kay kumbaga balaan mo na ang pasikot-sikot sa tagsa ka individuality sa mga estudyante, sa mga tao, so that when you work pagwa mo sa degree mo, you now know what to do. And that is my advice for those nga para maka-encourage sa mga gusto magpadalagan.
Yeah. Subong nga daan, no? It's Women's Month, no? So, we've gusto namon mabalaan or anong imong thoughts, no? About sa women empowerment subong month because it is Women's Month.
Yes.
And so, what does being an empowered woman to you?
So for me, being an empowered woman means having the courage to take up space. So it is actually a quote from our university president himself while he was delivering a speech sa opening sa Women's Month celebration. Gin-take note ko gito nga hambal niya nga, do not be afraid to take up space. And being an empowered woman, dapat hindi ka maghahadlok nga mag-take up space, mag-claim sa kung ano ang dapat sa imo.
Yes.
You have to shine and never letting anyone dim your light. And so sometimes some of us make ourselves small para hindi lang uncomfortable ang ibang nga tao bala. But with that quote, the empowering siya nga so if you're an empowered woman, you have to take up your space. Empowered women does not just excel, they occupy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, so empowered women, good sir, no?
Yes.
And so, Miss Clark, agi ka bala experience ng gender bias or stereotypes?
Thankfully, wala. So far, wala gid ko may na-experience nga gender bias or stereotypes because
Good to hear.
I was blessed enough to be surrounded by good men.
Good man.
Yes, I have a good father. I'm also the only girl in the family, by the way, kaya akon mga manghod puro laki. And
Considered kas ni kahihay.
yes. So they are the men that actually believe in my abilities, and from that upbringing, doon na-learn ko bala Sir Angel nga men are just like my equal. Regardless man sang differences,
Yes.
we are equal. So tungod sa pagpadako sa akon sang akon ginikanan man, kag sa akon environment.
What about the same, not only men, but of course, females? May mga other conflicts pa ba? Or
Wala gid kay I'm very also blessed enough to be surrounded by women that love me as well. So thank God.
that's good. That's
Positive
good.
energy.
Yes, positive lang.
So, how can a young woman build confidence and believe in their abilities as such as you?
So para sa akin, Sir Abi, confidence does not happen overnight. Just like a butterfly, that's just like a caterpillar, it goes through a metamorphosis. Yes. And hindi siya overnight nga naging butterfly lang siya dayon because butterflies are creatures that can be considered one of the most beautiful. And for me, confidence takes time, gidya. Just like what I have experienced man, sir. Kay ever since I was young, so of course, victim man sang bullying sa classroom because of my height, diba? So, with that, I believe na it takes time. But you must have the courage to step out, to take the step. Kay kung
stand
hindi,
for it.
yes, stand for it. Kay kung hindi mo siya kung hindi ka mag-take a step, wala gid may matabo. So,
Yes, agreed.
that's it.
Oo.
Yes, step up, good sir, no? And so, Miss Clar, anong may message kabala sa mga, ano nga message ang pwede mo ma-share sa aton ng mga listeners, especially ang mga young women nga naga-aspire to become leaders?
For those young women who aspire to be leaders, first is use your voice, of course in the right way, and show them what a woman can do. Diba? Usually, gina-brand kita as weak, gina-brand as, kumbaga soft bala or weak. But show them what you are and what you can be as a leader. And, of course, most important, do not do it for your own personal gain. Do it for the common good. Duga balikin
good.
kita sa muda.
Oo. No, thank you for inspiring us today. It's doon ka namin, pamatian doon ka namin sa ating topic. No? Not only for young women or female, but for all of us. No?
Yes.
It's very inspiring, very encouraging, and a big confidence for the community support. No? Time check, it's 3:45 in the afternoon. Stay tuned. I will be right back after this short break.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapadulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sang atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ISATU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now!
Alas tres na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ECFU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ECFU!
Diri lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ISATU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tubtob alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tubtob Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes ukod kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ISATU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na para hindi ka maulhisa. Study Break, ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, Tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalain-laing nga parte sang kalibutan kung sabihin ng ISATU may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa ka Bernes, kanta si Miss Dida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil.
Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter.
Whether on air,
Or online,
Stay informed
inspired.
and connected.
Time check, it's 3:49 p.m. and welcome back to Study Break. So, before we end, we would like to hear lang sa mga, or one of her inspiring words ni Miss Clar. So, what is the one quote or principle nga para sa imo gag-guide sa imong life?
So this quote is, I quote this from the Bible. It's a Hebrew term found in Exodus chapter 17, verse 15. And it is Yahweh Nisi or Jehovah Nisi. It means the Lord is my banner. So everywhere I go, I carry His banner. And para sa akin, I interpret it as something na He will protect me.
Yes.
He will guide me to the right path, and He will lead me to victory. So any opportunity that I take, any yeses and nos that I give sa mga opportunities and doors nga nag-open para sa akon, I always carry that as an armor. Nga, whatever may happen to me on the other side of that door, sa open door nga nag-open para sa akon, He will surely help me to make it through. And that is one that I leave with our listeners and viewers as of this moment. Yeah.
That's true. That's nice. And also, I think in that aspect, we also offer all our wins to the Lord. Di ba?
Yes.
So, thank you, Ged, sa pag-accept ng invitation sa amon, Ms.
Yes, thank
Clar.
you very much.
Your story reminds us that with determination, leadership, and confidence, we can truly make a difference, no? So, sa aton nga tagpalamati, kag talunan, galantaw, remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, no? And every voice has the power to inspire. So thank you very much, and thank you for our co-host also, Miss Ange. Gaanta ka mo chance, basta gusto ko mo, no? So let's do our guest first.
Okay, so shout out dagala sa BEd 3A. Hello,
Hello
arin ako
po.
din. And to my beloved professors, hindi lang sa Ed, to Casman, and to everyone nga nag tudlo gid sa akon through my journey gid sa akon college years. To my Student Republic family, thank you very much. And of course to my family man, Junais, Aflong, Leng, hello sa tanan-tanan, and thank you very much gid.
Miss Ange?
So shout out ulit kay Mama Da, kay Rinan, and of course kay Toto ang hara sa balay, very supportive
artista na
gid
bata,
sila.
no?
And shout out man sa BS EdMac 3A. Hello guys. So excuse na ako sa buong sa klase ta. And of course to all the mathematics students nga under sa COE and under sa CAS. Hello guys.
Yes.
Thank you very much once again. So,
Yes.
before we end our conversations, no, next nato ni actually nga sa our edition, or may insert na kami, is we will give chance to some of our students to promote their activities. So, after the break, we have students from BSTM Bachelor of Science in Tourism to promote their upcoming event. So, stay tuned and we will be back.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapadulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Diri sa ISATU, i-level up namo ng inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now! Attention, ISAT University graduating students. The ISAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now.
So good afternoon once again. I'm still your host, Gray, and we have here right now is students from our BSTM or Bachelor of Science in Tourism. They have this upcoming event, and we will give them the chance to promote this said event. So before that, can you please introduce yourselves, mga miss?
So, mabuhay everyone. I am Ariel Benasarbas, the lead event coordinator, and together with me is...
I'm Erica Eneluna, the assistant lead event coordinator for the opening event.
Welcome, it's a study break now. So, can you please tell us what is this your upcoming event?
Okay, so every year, ang BS Tourism Management program hosts an annual tourism fair. So this year, it is the 4th tourism fair naman. And our theme for this year is Handorawon, Tourism Growth Anchored on Tradition. So Handorawon, it is reminiscing, looking back to our experiences, our journey, our culture and tradition. But aside from that, it is also about like looking forward and imagining our future, not just as individuals, but also as future professionals in the industry.
So Handorawon, this is your event. Pila ini siya ka days, kag ano ang mga set of activities nga gin-prepare nyo?
So actually, this is a 2-day event celebration, and we have a lot of activities prepared for our juniors, such as tour guiding activities, the dancing FA. We have also a lot of expo prepared that is for the fundraising team.
So you have a fundraising event, no? This is for the day 1, I think.
For the fundraising, sir, they will start from April 20 to 23. However, for the opening event, this will start on April 22 and 23, 2026 now. So for our day 1, we have prepared several activities that would highlight the skills, the talent, and creativity of our students. And also for our day 2, dili naman natin makita ang ilang mga talento pag-abot sa tour packaging, sa tour guiding, kag sa ilang flight attendant showmanship, no? So, base pa lang nga ara ka mo sa university by that day, 22 and 23, Wednesday and Thursday ina. So, kung ara ka mo, pwede gid ka mo makalantaw sa amon nga tour packaging, no? Sa aga ina, and tour guiding and dancing FA sa hapon. So, sa tour packaging, base kung gusto nyo maglagaw, base kung makapangita man ka mo dira sang inspiration sa ilang mga tour packages.
Din ini siya gani nga i-held ng event din
So,
venue naton.
Okay, so ang 2-day event namon i-held ni siya sa aton nga ESETU Multipurpose Educational Center and Grandstand, sirs.
Thank you. So part ini sang inyong subject, no? Ano ini siya nga subject?
Yes, sir. Actually, this event is part of our course, HTC 406, or the events management. So actually, we are now in the execution phase, and this interview is also a key part of our effort in promoting our event.
So diin bala naton makita niya mga said activities. May ara kita bala mga Facebook page, may ara kita bala mga banners nga gusto nyo i-promote?
So actually, we have an Facebook page, the Gunita Events Production. Actually, we create this page for as an part also of our course as an event planner or as an organizing team for the opening event.
That's nice, no?
Yes, sir. So, also, in relation to our celebration with Women's Month, no? So, nag-prepare man kami sa activities wherein ma-highlight namon ang kakayanan sa amon nga mga babae, no? So, actually, Erica and I are here today to represent the women in our program, no? Nga, we are a testament that women could lead, women could inspire. So, we have also may activities kami like the GRWM, which is the Get Ready With Me contest. So this will highlight yung femininity ng ating mga babae, no? So most of the time mabatian namon yung mga comments nga yung mga tourism students puro gwapa, puro sexy amo na. So by integrating this kind of activities man sa amon nga events sa among event on the opening team, no, ma-highlight namon kung ano man kami mag-room as tourism management students as part man siya sa among preparation because we are the future face of the tourism industry. So this activity would greatly help man sa amon nga training, no, for our appearance in the future.
So, as a testament siguro, no, these beautiful young women are not just beautiful in aspect but also in their grades. Kay there are my students, so academic achievers gini sila ya. So totoo ginaya, hindi na pagsugid grades nyo. So may gusto bala ka mo tamyawon before we officially end?
Okay. So, gusto lang galit namon magpasalamat sa amon nga professor sa HTC 406, Ma'am Mona Luisa de Guzman, kay Ma'am Angeline Basco and Sir Walter Susmenia for the continuous support, for the encouragement, and also sa mga knowledge nga na-instill nila sa amon all throughout our college journey. So, subong 4th years na kami, mag-graduate na kami, and we promise you nga dalo namon tanan nga nabalaan namon from you sa amon nga future profession. And also we would like to shout out our committee sa Gunita Events Production. May we guys have a successful event on April 22 and 23, and also for our juniors, no, kapay pa nga subaybayan ninyo ang aton nga mga events, kagabay pa nga ma-enjoy ninyo ang mga activities nga gin-prepare namon for you.
And also, aside from the opening event, we also encourage you guys to support our 3 other events, the fundraising team or the Lilo Collective, the Surrey team or the Pamanako, and lastly, the community outreach team or the Pag-Ulikid.
Of course, we have sent invitations sa among nga counterparts sa Miag-Aw man, no? So yesterday we sent our invitation and we hope nga tani mag-yes sila sa amon invitation to participate sa amon nga tourism event on April 23.
They will. Actually, makakadto gina sila yan.
Yes.
So, yog lang ko sa section ko, BST TM2A kag 2B attend ko no kamo ha. So, thank you Ged. Thank you for promoting your event. So, thank you sa aton nga mga guests nga nagkadto subong, sa aton nga presidente Dr. Gabriel M. Saliste Jr., aton na 4 ka vice presidents, aton nga 4 also ka campus administrators, ADCA officials, faculty, staff, alumni, kag sa amon director sa Public Information and Communications Office Dr. Heinz Bigumakel. At sa tanan nga students ng ISATU, madamo nga salamat sa inyo pagpamati. Kag we hope that you can join us again sa iba namon nga episodes. This has been your host Gray, and this is Study Break.
Ang inyong tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Ang Presidential Broadcast Service, Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko.
Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko.